Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this hair detangling spray. If you're new on this channel, please help me hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Now let's get right started. Firstly, I'm going to weigh out my water, and here I'm going to be using distilled water. In place of distilled water, you could use any hydrosol of your choice. I can recommend rosemary hydrosol, aloe vera hydrosol, or neem hydrosol. I will display the quantity of ingredients I'm using on the screen, so please take note. For this distilled water weighed out, I will divide it into two parts, a bigger part and a smaller part. The smaller part will use it to dissolve our emulsifier, while the bigger part would use it to dissolve our active ingredient. For this formula, I will be using keratin powder, although you can substitute this keratin powder panthenol, also known as provitamin B5. The major function of this keratin powder or provitamin B5 is to help strengthen the hair strands so that it does not break off and fall off, which can actually lead to your hair not growing. So if your hair is being strengthened and not falling off, you would have more chances to retain the length of your hair. Since this is a detangler, it will be very important that your hair stays put while you are trying to detangle with your comb. I will simply dissolve my keratin powder into my distilled water, and I will give it a stir until it's completely dissolved. If you are using the provitamin B5, you can still dissolve it this way if you're using the powder, and if you're using the liquid, you can just add it in. You can also choose to use both if you want. Next, I'll be weighing out my emulsifier, and here I'm going to be using emulsifying wax. I'm going to be using a low percentage of emulsifying wax because I want this to still remain a spray and not a cream. And note, we do not have oil here or an oily face, so our emulsifier will be dissolved in the water phase. I don't know if this is your first time seeing emulsifiers being dissolved in a water phase, but if you think it's not going to dissolve, trust me, it will. Now, the aim of the emulsifier is not actually to bind water and oil together, but to actually achieve the detangling effect of the product. Next, I'm going to go in with some hibiscus flowers. I'm practically using these hibiscus flowers because of the color. Although this color is not going to last long, it will definitely fade around 1 to 2 months. But I just want it to have this aesthetic color that is natural, while also enjoying the benefits of hibiscus in my hair. Hibiscus contains some properties that can actually help to protect your hair against external damage. I am not considering it as a plain character in this product because I really didn't infuse it or have the most of it. I just wanted my product to have a naturally enhanced color without adding early colors to it. You can also play with other colors in case you do not want to use the hibiscus, something like the butterfly pea to give you a blue-like color. So after infusing it for some time, I will just peel it out, and here I am having a bright red color, although that will turn pink after the product is done. Now, after achieving this, it is time to bring back my emulsifier, which has gone to heat with the water. At this point, it is fully dissolved. But before I add my emulsifier into my main mixture, I'll first go in with my vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is a humectant that can actually help you to draw water from the atmosphere into your hair, thereby keeping the hair hydrated, moist, and always full of life. It will also help the hair to keep its shine while it's being detangled. So this product is not just a detangler, but also a hair protector and straightener. In a continuous stirring, I'm going to be adding the emulsified phase into the water and just keep stirring. There is no need for emulsification here because we are not combining oils and water. So I'll just give this a stir, and that's it. Now you can see that the color has changed from the bright red color we had from the hibiscus to this pink color, but it's still very fine by me. Note that this color is not going to last long, it's going to fade over time. So if you want it to be constant, then you can go ahead with some extra colors of your choice. The next thing I'm going to do is to check the pH of this product because it's very important for the well-being of your hair. Matching the strip down to my pH paper, I got a pH of around 6, which is perfectly okay. I'm going in with my preservative, and here I am using Usual PE 9010. If you always watched my videos and you're not yet subscribed, please help me hit the subscribe button. It will cost you absolutely nothing. And if you're new on here, you're welcome to Primeside. Please stay on with us. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. After a good stir, this product is ready to be packaged. I'm just going to be using my spray container, filling this up, and voila, my product is ready. Now, to use this product, all you need to do is to spray your hair and comb, detangle, just like you would do with your hair conditioner. Trust me, this product is really good. It's very okay, and it's way better than your normal hair spray. It's also something that you can spray on your weaves even while you're on braids and all of that. It is not suitable for a relaxed hair. This is strictly for a natural hair. But if you feel like your relaxed hair needs some hydration, then yeah, you can use it as well. Please do not forget that all the ingredients I used here are available with us. You can see the description box for more details. Thank you so much for stopping by on this video today. I'll definitely love to see you next time on this channel. For now, take care and have a lovely day.